here it is. North End Avenue. Here it is again, One World Trade Center. Alright, I'm a little further back. I'm almost back to the Hudson River. And here you can see 1 and 7 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, and yes, everything's looking amazing, especially with the progress with the Transit Hub and Tower 3. So I guess from here on in, One World Trade Center just has a little more internal work to do. But I believe it's mostly completed. Same for Tower 4. Alright, I'm back at the Hudson. Here again is One World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. So yep, we've had a lot of major progress. Really good progress. Tower 3 has officially started its construction. The Transit Hub, all the fins look completed. And it seems like the site itself is just constantly developing. Considering it's been 5 months since I've been here, a lot has truly happened, and it's amazing. So yeah, from here on in, 1 and 4 World Trade Center just have some minor things to do inside, because they're already open, but there's still a few more things I gotta do. There's 4 World Trade Center. So yep, truly amazing progress. I'm now going to begin my walk over to Brooklyn Bridge Park and take a look from there. Alright, I'm on the Manhattan Bridge. There's One World Trade Center. Truly amazing. And you know, this other building here, I don't know what this is, but yeah, I definitely don't remember that being there. Now that Tower 3 has started, hopefully Tower 2 will be close behind it. Then it'll start to show up right here. You'll see the both of them standing here. Alright, let's keep going. There it is again, 1 and 4 World Trade Center. And pretty soon we'll start to see Tower 3 rise up right there next to 4. Further over. Yep. In a few months, Tower 3 will start to show up here too. Tower 3 will be right there, next to 4. Still walking down. There's the park. And here comes another train. So yeah, take another good look, everybody. Because pretty soon you're going to see Tower 3 here. And then eventually Tower 2. And now that Tower 3 finally got the green light to proceed, I'm pretty sure Tower 2 will be close behind it. I'm very sure that Tower 2 will be close behind Tower 3. Now that it finally got the green light after like 2 years. But I'm truly excited for it. Alright, here we are. Brooklyn Bridge Park. 1 and 4 World Trade Center. And soon 3 World Trade Center.